This is impressive. Once again, we see the SPY and the QQQ renewing their all-time highs, while many stocks are performing very well. According to technical analysis, we have a lot of interesting things going on here, and that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. Let's calmly study this market and analyze some stocks. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here. And remember, if you need or just want more help with your trading, then join our Telegram channel, where you will have access to our exclusive analysis and our trading strategies and signals. We scan the entire market for you and pick out the best opportunities. So just take a look at our website. The QR code's right here, link in the fixed comment below and in the description as well. Now, as we can see here, the SPY ETF is exploding today, going up almost 1%, making a very nice bullish candlestick pattern, rejecting any possibility of a top signal right here, right now. Yesterday, we saw a bearish reaction, all right, a small bearish candlestick pattern, and I told you guys, this is not necessarily a reason to panic, because as long as we don't see a top signal getting triggered, we are not gonna see a pullback. And today we are not only avoiding triggering this top signal, but we are rejecting this top signal as well, suggesting that SPY is supposed to maintain its bullish bias, period. Now, Nathan, do you see any top signal right here, right now? No, there is not even a possible top signal over here, just like on QQQ, all right? QQQ gave us a slightly more scary movement over here, because this candlestick was a little bit more emblematic, right near the $500 psychological resistance level. And today we are breaking this key point. We are breaking yesterday's high. We are renewing the all-time high again. So right now there is not a single top signal on the indices. And how this is gonna affect our stocks? Well, let's take a look at Tesla, for instance. Tesla is struggling to break its main resistance level at $265, which is better seen from the weekly chart over here, right? We see crystal clear top signal. Right now we are retesting this key point as a resistance level again. On the daily chart, we don't see any meaningful top signal, but we are not making a very nice breakout yet. Now you may ask, but Nathan, could this be, I know this candlestick is bullish so far, but could this be a, I don't know, hanging man candlestick pattern? Well, even if we see a theoretically bearish candlestick pattern like this one, it is not a reason to panic. Let me exemplify this. Let's use Palantir as an example over here. Palantir 2 days ago made a classic hanging man candlestick pattern, and however, it failed to trigger this pattern. This is why I'm telling you guys, we gotta see a crystal clear top signal materialize it and trigger it in order for us to see a pullback. But honestly, a hanging man is a terrible bearish reversal candlestick pattern, because according to Bukowski's studies, it is not that reliable. You guys that are already our subscribers over here are familiar with Bukowski. I'm always talking about his studies over here, but for those who are new in this channel, let me show you guys. Over here. This is the patternsite.com hanging man candlestick important results. Theoretical performance, bearish reversal. Tested performance, bullish continuation, 59% of the time. So, okay, 59 is not that much, but certainly it is not a reliable bearish reversal candlestick pattern. Therefore, we can't count too much on this reaction over here in Tesla, all right? Although we must see a crystal clear breakout of this resistance level. As long as we don't see any top signal triggered, we are not gonna see a pullback. Nathan, what if tomorrow or in the next couple of days we see a crystal clear top signal under the $265? Well, in this scenario, okay, I see a pullback. Remember, pullbacks are not reversals. Any pullback to the 21 EMA would be totally normal, acceptable, even desirable, because those who are out of Tesla right here, right now, they wish to see Tesla making a pullback in order to buy at a cheaper price with a better risk-reward ratio. And this is why pullbacks are good, even for those who are already bullish on Tesla, who are already longing Tesla right here, right now. Pullbacks offer more opportunities to add more positions for other people to join the party over here. So this is how I see the situation. Any pullback, just another buying opportunity, because the trend is bullish mid-term speaking, and on the weekly chart, long-term speaking, we just made a very nice and intense bullish reversal chart structure. Some of you guys already warned me about this inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, right? And you guys are totally correct. This is why I'm telling you guys, any pullback, just another buying opportunity, because we are still bullish, just like Nvidia, all right? Nvidia is still bullish. We see that Nvidia frustrated the idea of this head and shoulders chart pattern, right? And right now we are making higher highs, higher lows. We are trading above the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, is pointing upwards right now, and apparently we are about to retest the all-time high next, which is our next technical resistance level. Is there any top signal over here? No, there is not a single top signal on Nvidia, and even if we see one, I believe that a pullback to the $128, our previous top level over here, would be fine, totally okay, totally normal, acceptable. Now, Palantir is going up more than 3% today. It is rejecting any possibility of a top signal, and right now, apparently, the 27.50 is a very nice and important support level. It was a previous resistance level. Right now, it is acting as a support level, following the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Only if Palantir makes a very intense bearish reaction, closing below this key point over here, then I would see Palantir making a decent pullback. But as long as we don't see that, Palantir will remain bullish. Now, AMD is giving us a more concerning reaction, because the 187 is a crystal clear resistance level, and we failed to break this key point. And unlike Tesla, which is still near its resistance level over here, Tesla is still near its main resistance level. AMD is making a huge shadow above the candlestick's body, suggesting some weakness over here. Therefore, we gotta be very careful, because we could see a pullback on Nvidia. However, just like SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Nvidia, Palantir, this one is still bullish. So a pullback to the 21 EMA would be totally fine. Then we'll see if AMD is gonna be a buy or not. Right now, let's just be cautious over here and keep an eye on this key resistance level. And again, if you need more help with your trading, join our Telegram channel. The link to my website is in the description of this video. And remember, subscribe, because I'm here every single day talking about many stocks in this channel, keeping you guys updated on what's the best regarding technical analysis and price action. I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.